Hi everyone, it's Caroline and I am making my first official slime video. We're going to be making some clear slime. Instead of picking up the white clear slime or glue, I got the blue one, so hopefully this one will work. So what we're going to need is clear PVA glue. I got the blue one. You're going to need contact solution containing sodium borate or boric acid, warm water, baking soda, a half teaspoon measuring spoon, 1/4 cup measuring spoon, a mixing bowl, a mixing utensil, and an airtight container. And as for the specific instructions, you're going to be adding 1/4 cup of water into the bowl, and we can go ahead and do that now. I've already put the water in here. So we're gonna add the 1/4 cup of water. And then you're gonna dissolve a half teaspoon of baking soda. So let's scoop this up. And we're gonna mix it up. And you want to mix the baking soda until it is all clear. This bowl is white, so it's kind of hard to see, but when you're making it, you want to mix it until it's all clear. And I may be adding a special surprise at the end, so stay tuned. So now we're going to be adding the 5 ounces of glue. So with these glue, it's already, the whole bottle's 5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the whole bottle.
I love this blue color. It's so pretty. So once I get all the way to the bottom, so I can get every last.
And we are going to mix it up until it is nice and well mixed. And again, you guys, this is my first time making it, making any slime actually. And I got this recipe from Slime Time, and hers looked great. So hopefully mine can turn out the same way. And it's mixing good. So we are now going to slowly add in the contact lens solution, and the contact lens solution is replacing borax. That's what I've heard. I don't even know what borax is, to be honest, but I know this is good. So we're going to slowly add this in, and we're going to mix in between. Go ahead and mix. And you're gonna go ahead and repeat this process until your slime is no longer sticky and it's more slimy. I mean, you know what slime looks like, not like soupy like this. It's such a beautiful color. I keep saying that, but it's honestly so pretty. All right, I'm gonna set it back in there, and I'm gonna add a couple of the extra things I bought. I don't know how well these they're like marbles, are gonna add into it, but let's go ahead and see. And I got an array. It's like green, blue, light blue, so it'll be really pretty in there. Let's go ahead and add some. Boop, boop, boop. Should I keep going? Let's see. I'm gonna mix it in. Squish them in. I think I should add some more. We've got some escapees trying to escape. So they mix it in pretty well. Just kind of get the slime on them so they don't slip out like that. But for the most part, I mean, they're pretty mixed it. They're doing pretty good in there as they're falling out. And here you have it. We have some beautiful blue slime. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my container for 3 to 7 days, and it will get clear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please support my channel. This is my first video, and look how awesome it turned out. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and there's definitely going to be more videos coming soon. If you want me to do a specific type of slime, please let me know. With these balls, they're like, I don't know, glass, I guess, and they are nice in there, but they will slip out clearly, like if you kind of remove the slime away. But I mean, it still looks awesome in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my container. All right. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.